Hello, my name is Jay Kino, and I will be demonstrating lab exercise number 5, which is the multi-button LED control with SysTick timer. So for this lab experiment, we are tasked with integrating interrupts for timer-controlled LED outputs. So right here, we will be using LEDs D1, D2, D3, and D4, and then we will be using buttons A1, A2, and A3. So let me go ahead and get the debugger running in the background. And then getting back to these buttons, but push button 1 will increase the time delay between each flash by 500 milliseconds, and it will go on infinitely for each button press. Push button 2 here is going to switch the active LED being used. And lastly, push button 3 here is going to reset the time delay back to 500 milliseconds for the active LED. So let's go ahead and get this program running. So we're going to start off with LED D1, which is going to be flashing at 500 milliseconds. Now as I push button 1 here, it's going to increase up to 1000 milliseconds, which is now going to be also just 1 second. So with another button push, it will now be at 1.5 seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and switch over to LED D2. Now with another button push, we're going to go up to 2 seconds. And then with another push, we're going to go up to 2.5 seconds. And now we're going to go ahead and switch over to button D3, or LED D3. Now with another push, we're going to go up to 3 seconds. And then with another push, we're going to go up to 3.5 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and switch over to LED D4. Now we're going to go ahead and increase the flash rate to 4 seconds. And then we're going to increase to 4.5 seconds. And now we're just going to reset it to 500 milliseconds. And then as you can see here, as we toggle through each LED, it'll also be at 500 milliseconds. Now in the future, I would like to implement this 7-segment display to display the counting times being used by the LED flash rate. Fortunately, I didn't have enough time for this project, but hopefully in a future project, I'll be able to implement that.